How to take off professional account on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can take off professional account on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to take off professional account on Instagram, all you have to do is simply, first of all, go ahead and then basically launch the Instagram application. The way you can tell out and figure out if I have a professional account is because you can see my professional dashboard, and if I want to turn off my professional account, it is very simple to do so. Just tap the three lines option that you can find from the top right and then go to this option known as settings. Once you go to settings, go to the option called account. Once you go to account over here, you want to simply go to the option known as switch account type. Then over here you just need to select switch to a personal account. So if you have a business account, it will say switch to creator account. If you have a creator account, it will say switch to professional account. And if you have either of these account, it will say switch to personal account. And since we want to take off professional account, we're just going to select switch to a personal account option. Tap on switch to personal account, and now our account will be changed back to the normal account like we had on Instagram before. And this way you can actually go ahead and then take off your professional account on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.